Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to apply for a Netherlands transit visa. Before I proceed further, I would like to clarify neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. And my intention is to show you how to navigate through a service. Alright guys. So guys, first of all, not in every case you need a transit visa if you're transiting through the Netherlands. But suppose you already know that you need a visa, then you need to apply. Okay, let's say you are applying for airport transit visa. You have a flight that is stopping there and you are changing it. So that is what we are gonna do in this video. Alright, so guys, in front of you I have opened this official Netherlands site. Here you can click on login. You need to create an account first. So if you don't have, you are gonna click here, but I already have, so I can log in. So after logging in, I clicked on airport transit and I came to this page. So I assume like we have already gone through the advisor and we do need a visa. So you need to fill this very carefully and I am showing you just sample. Okay, the airport you will transit through. So I select this, but you need to do as per your case. All these are sample entries guys, you do it at your own way. So personal history, okay, personal details here, so I'm gonna put some sample. Even in the next page the personal details continue. This is now about the birth and you need to fill as per your case. Then in the contact it picks up your email and phone number. I have gone through next and now it has gone for the address. Okay, this continues. I select yes. Travel document, yeah, they do ask. Now I'm gonna provide some sample. So this is as per your case. If you have a family member who is a citizen of EU, EA, Switzerland or UK, I select this. Okay, now this one. Okay, now you need to provide information too. Fine, I'm gonna put some sample. Now we have completed personal details tab. Now journey. Yes. Okay, definitely you need to provide the details, so I'm gonna put some sample, and all with these marks are mandatory. I'm gonna put some sample. Now again this journey tab continues. We had selected this, so this is selected. Additional information, but this is not mandatory. Travel dates, date of departure, be very careful and then fill this up. It's about fingerprint. If you have ever given for any Schengen visa, I select no, then they will ask you to do. Then you need to review the application here, and if you want to make any change you can always click on edit and do. Okay guys, so in the next page you have the option to download. I'm not gonna go to that page, and you can delete also, so I deleted the application. So like once you download, you have to sign it, and then from their website, like based on your country of residence, you need to find out where and how to apply. So I selected India, but you need to select your country. So here you can get like this you get from the site, that how you applied, and photo you need, and of course like you need to provide the documents as per the checklist. Okay, and in order to apply in India, in India it is outsourced to VFS, so we need to apply as per the instructions over here. This is a checklist for airport transit. ID document, yes. Declaration consent of both parties if they're minor. Relevant court judgments in parent declaration form. They've given if relevant a declaration form minors. Okay. Legal residence, evidence lives in the country you are applying from. Work permit if applicable. Photo. Proof of travel itinerary. Next country, payment. Okay. Date and sign. Oh yeah, that's fine. Okay. So we know the visa type. We need to complete online application form. Okay, print it, sign it. Okay, book an appointment. Okay, then you go there, apply. Okay, visit here, and they will take like your visa fee and this biometric if it is required. Okay, and then collect your, then if it is successful, you get your passport stamped with visa. So that's how it works, guys, and I hope you're gonna like this video. Thanks for watching.